Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Padoliko's Computer Science. Today video we will discuss and learn about the introduction to CrewAI. Past a few videos we are working on a project, social media, writing agentic AI, and this video is for the beginners. The people don't know about CrewAI and how to understand the basic of the CrewAI. So this video for them. Okay, so this is the notebook. I will share the video description so you can use this and play with it. Okay, first of all, we need to install some dependencies. In our case, we have CrewAI with tools, Google Generative AI, and Python.env. Okay, so first of all, we execute the dependency. I already installed, and let me replay. And you see, I already have all the dependency ready and installed. Now after that we need to import OS for load the local environment, and after this we need to load user data from Colab. For key storage you need to come to this cigarette, and you need to enable new key here. Make sure enable this notebook access, and all good. And this is the code how you can use your keys. Okay, so in our project we will use Gemini and Serper for search web search, and these are the key load key from Copilot, and we need to run this one first. Okay, so our key are load successfully. This is the basic example of CrewAI, how we can set up a LLM, and this we need to pass a model and temperature. So in our case I set up 0.1, so you can set up temperature as you wish. Okay, so let's run this command. Okay, so this is error quota exceed. So this is a problem, but when you have the valid key, this will be work perfectly. And after that we need to import three important things is the agent, task, and crew. Okay, we need to declare our first agent. In the agent we have four important things: role, goal, backstory, LLM. Okay, so first this is the email assistant. Goal is improve email and make them sound professional and clear. And backstory is the main prompt. A highly experienced communication expert, skill in professional email writing. And we need to pass this LLM to the our AI assistant. Okay, so this is a message, this is a rough message we need to pass to our email task that will rewrite in professional email formatting. So this is the email task. In task we need to find three important things is a description, agent, and expected output. And here I have written all the detail, the prompt, year of email, rewrite it into a professional polished version, and expand the abbreviation. And then I need to pass to the CrewAI agent, and list of agents, list of tasks, and verbal true. So when we run this we have the result. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the first result. You can see this call the email assistant, final result, answer, update, demo, readiness, and when the crew completion. And this is the final output we get. The final output: update on demo ready. Dear team, this is the email update status of demo. The demo is largely prepared, however there are still some outstanding items. Okay, so this is the professional email, written by the our AI agent. Okay, so this is a very simple example. So this is a very simple example. In just a few lines, you have create your first AI agent that will run based on your command and input and give you the result. Okay, so email with this is the same code but with a tool example. So we need to give our agent a tool that will perform a specific task for us. So replace jargon's tool base model base tool. We import from tools. This is the name, jargon replacement tool, and description replace jargon with the specific terms. We have defined a private variable function. This is the replacement. We have suggestion empty string. We lower the emails. Sorry, for jargon replace in the we have simply for loop and checking the email which parameter this abbreviation we match in this email and in the list. So we replace with the WIP2 in progress. Okay, so we just join them and suggest otherwise no Georgian internal detected. Okay, so this tool is ready. JT replace Georgian tool, and this is the original email. So this is the example looping in Priya, TAS and PRX. So TRX must means project Phoenix internal AI ream page project, and PRX means we already discussed technical architecture stack. Okay, so update are in the doc. ETA for DST integration and Friday. Okay, so this email have too many abbreviation. We just run to the pass through this and run the JD tool, this tool, and this is the result we get. RTV the product. So this is the output we get. Okay, so our tool is ready and working. Okay, so any other email example how we can use the previous example, but this time we will use a tool. This is a new thing. Okay, so we just simply pass the list of tools. We can find a number of tools we went, and this is work like same. So this is the old example we see before. This is the example, but we added the tool inside. Okay, so this what is the output. We just scroll down, and this is the final output. You see all the abbreviation will replace with the complete sentence and word. Okay, so this is the output we have, professional output. Okay, so far we implement single agent, but now we can implement multiple agent to perform multiple tasks. So we have multi-agent example, task agent, task crew, research, and writer agent. Research specialist, first agent is the writer specialist. The researcher interested fact about the topic user will input, and story you are expert at finding relevant and factual data. Okay, so we also assign the tool here depending on the requirement. Okay, writer tool creativity. Writer write a short blog summary using the research, and you are skilled at writing engaging summarize based on provided content. Okay, and task one is find 3-5 interesting and recent factor about the topic the user will input. Expected output will be a bold line of 3 to 5 facts. Research agent we need to pass here. This agent we need to pass to this task, and the task 2 will write a so-called blog post summary about the topic user will input using the facts from the research, and output a blog summary. And writer agent we need to pass a writer agent. this one. Okay, so one additional thing is here we need to pass context. The context based on the context, this task 2 will write the blog. Okay, so the and our context is the list of task 1. Okay, so you can pass multiple tasks. Okay, after that we just simply call the crew and pass all the list of agents and list of the tasks, and we just give the inputs, topic, the future of electrical vehicle, and we just simply print, and this is the output. Okay, so this is the specialist task, and finding this is the topic, future of electrical vehicle, and this is the final agent final answer. This is the output. Okay, so this is the research specialist agent result, and this is the output you can see, and here is the task status and task execution, and researcher specialist task complete, and this is the creative. We need to call the creative writer and write a solved blog summary about the future of electrical vehicle using the fact from the research. Okay, so task is done, and this is the final answer, creative writer agent, and this is the final answer we get. Okay, so the future of electric vehicle is set to revolution transport energy. Okay, so this is the crew complete, and this is the output we have finally get. So all the execution will complete, and this is the output we get. So we have two agent work together and compose one single result and give us. Okay, so we will use a web search to search our topic. The topic user will be input, and based on the topic and real data, our agent will compose a final block and display. Okay, so for this we use a Serper dev tool. It is built in from the CrewAI, and for this we need to automatically key will be assigned, and the addition in this example will be web search. Okay, so the we execute the task 1, task 2, and we execute the crew, and this is the output we have. Okay, so first the find a 3 to 5 interesting recent fact about the future of electrical vehicle as a part of 2025, and the crew will be execute, and this web API search call, and such parameter will be q equal future of electric vehicle 2025. And so this is the the website live web search. You can see the links and all the other data, and after that research specialist agent search for the internet with the Serper. Okay, you can see use the tool execution. Agent will use the tool execution to find the data. Okay, so more than 4 million electric car were sold in first quarter of 2025. Okay, so these data come from the internet. After that the task completion special research specialist. Okay, sorry, agent final answer. So this is the final answer we have. The electricity electric vehicle revolution is acceleration Q1 2025 saw remarks. So this is the example of CrewAI, how we can use the CrewAI and build our project for in the future. You can in our series we will use all these tools together, but we develop the application in the endpoint and make a automatic workflow, and this is the total basic introduction to CrewAI. Any doubt you can comment in comment box. I will help you with the doubt and guide you about everything. Thank you so much.